Hello, student. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to e-class of your Max. I hope you must be fine and safe. Small aim is a crime. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. Today we will start lesson 7 Triangles, part 1. Now, today we will start the triangle chapter. In your triangle chapter, first of all, congruent figures. When you are having the second figure, then only you can show. Na? When you will compare your figure with your another figure, then only you can see. Okay, so for that, we need two types of congruent figures. Two congruent figures have exactly the same shape and size. मतलब क्या कि अगर 5 मीटर का साइड एक का है तो दूसरे का भी 5 होगा. क्लियर. सेकेंड साइड 3 सेंटीमीटर का है तो सेकेंड फिगर का भी 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा. क्लियर. इफ टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट then their corresponding parts are equal. When all parts are equal, then only we can say the two triangles are congruent, otherwise not. कॉन्ग्रुएंट का मतलब क्या है कि उनको सेम शेप और साइज होती है. क्लियर. इफ़ टू साइड्स, अब दो ट्राइंगल हैं, टू साइड्स एंड इंक्लूडेड एंगल ऑफ अ वन ट्राइंगल. कहता है कि दोनों ट्राइंगल में से एक ट्राइंगल के दो साइड एंड इंक्लूडेड एंगल of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. कहते हैं SAS congruence rule. मतलब क्या हुआ कि एक साइड आएगा, फिर एंगल आएगा, फिर साइड आएगा. ओके, दोनों का कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो तो उसे क्या कहा जाता है? SAS congruence rule. Similarly, two angles and the included side of a one triangle are equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. ASA congruence rule. Clear, children? Now, if two angles अभी क्या आ रहा है? पहले था साइड एंगल साइड, उसमें दो साइड थे और एक एंगल था. फिर था एंगल साइड एंगल, दो एंगल एंड वन साइड. अब कहता है इफ़ टू एंगल्स, अब दो एंगल्स साथ में, if two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to two angles and the corresponding side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. वो क्या हो जाएगा? ASA congruence rule. Now children, continue. Here it is given, if three sides of one triangle are equal to the three side of the other triangle, दो ट्राइंगल है उनके तीनों साइड्स इक्वल हैं, then two angles are congruent. तो कब क्या रूल आएगा? SSS congruence rule, that is theorem 7.4. Clear? If two right angles, ओके, राइट एंगल्स कैसे होती है? जिसमें एक राइट एंगल 90 डिग्री होती ही है. Hypotenuse and one side of a triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are called RHS congruent rule, that is theorem 7.5. Clear, children? Okay, angles opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. Now suppose there are two triangles. Okay, if sides are congruent, तो उसके सामने वाली जो एंगल है वो congruent होती ही है. ओके, साइड अपोजिट टू इक्वल एंगल्स आर इक्वल. अगर एंगल इक्वल है, ओके, अगर एंगल इक्वल है तो उसके सामने वाला साइड भी इक्वल माना जाता है. The measure of each angle of a equilateral triangle is 60. तो ट्राइंगल में तीन एंगल और तीन साइड्स होते हैं. ओके, अगर वो इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल है तो एवरी एंगल कितनी होगी? 60. In a triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the थर्ड साइड. इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड. अगर 2 की हम करेंगे 60 क्या तो 120 क्या होगा 120 60 से ज़्यादा ही है. In a triangle, the angle opposite to the longer side. Yes, inequalities of triangle आता है उसमें. Angle opposite to the longer side is a longer, that is larger, that is a greater. कहते हैं अगर एंगल 90 डिग्री है तो उसके सामने वाला साइड भी लार्जर होगा. In a triangle, the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. Clear? ये कहता है कि अगर आपके ट्राइंगल में अगर साइड ग्रेटर है तो उसके सामने वाला भी जो एंगल है वो ग्रेटर होगी. Now children, congruent figures. If two geometrical figures have exactly the same shape and size, then they are called congruent figures. Two line segments are congruent only when their length are equal. Okay, आपने देखा कि there are two lines and they are same. Okay, so we can say segment PQ congruent to segment RS. Okay, second figure. Two angles are congruent. Okay, दो triangle हैं ABC and PQR. Okay, then their degree measure जो x के ऊपर है ना, that is a given degree measure. Okay, degree measures are equal. मतलब suppose ABC 50 है तो PQR भी 50 होगा. ABC is 80, then PQR is also 80, and symbol congruent is used to represent the congruence. हम ये symbol जो दिखाते हैं that ABC congruent to angle PQR. Now children, we will start congruence of triangles. Okay, two triangles are congruent if and only if one of them can be made to superimpose on the other. Okay, such as to cover it exactly. You must have observed that two copies of your photographs of same size are identical. Similarly, two bangles of same size, two ATM cards issued by the same bank are identical. Clear children? Now in your figure. First, A congruent to D, C congruent to F and C congruent to E. Clear children? Now children, we will start the criteria for congruence of triangles. First, SAS criteria. हम SAS criteria कब बोलते हैं? जब दो साइड और एक एंगल इंक्लूडेड एंगल ऑफ वन ट्राइंगल आर congruent with the other triangle. If two triangles are such that two sides and one included angle of one equal to the corresponding sides and included angle of the other, the triangles are congruent. फिर दोनों ट्राइंगल को हम क्या कहते हैं? Congruent. Similarly, AB equal XY, BC equal YZ, angle A equal angle X. Therefore, triangle BAC congruent to YXZ. Okay, it is necessary to write the correspondence of the vertices correctly by writing of the congruence of triangles in symbolic form. Now children, we will start A as a criteria. If two triangles are such that two angles and the included one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and the included side of the other, then the two triangles are congruent. In your figure, just check. A congruent to D, then another angle that is a given B congruent to E, and AB equal DE. Okay, so angle side angle. Clear children? In case in two triangles, two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal, Even if the side is not included between the corresponding equal pair of angles, the triangles are congruent. Clear, children? Because the sum of three angles of a triangle is a 180 degree. Therefore, if two pairs of angles are equal, the third pair is also equal, because we know that the sum of equal angle total is 180. Yes, so two angles are congruent if any two pairs of angle and one pair of corresponding sides are equal, then we may call it as the AAS congruence rule. Now children, we will start some properties of a triangle. Remember it, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. हम lesson 6 में भी ये सीख कर आए हैं. Clear children? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. कहता है कि अगर isosceles triangle है और जो sides congruent है उसके सामने वाली एंगल भी congruent होंगी. Clear? That is theorem 7.2. Third, the side opposite to the equal angle of a triangle are equal. कहता है अगर साइड अपोजिट्स हैं, साइड अपोजिट कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उनके सामने वाले भी एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट ही होंगी. क्लियर चिल्ड्रेन? नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, some more criteria for congruence of triangles. SS congruence rule. जिस ट्रायंगल के तीनों साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे उसे कहा जाएगा SS congruence rule. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. Theorem 7.4 theorem. Clear? Whenever this condition comes, so what we will write? Theorem 7.4. RHS criteria for congruence of right triangles. If two right angle triangles are congruent, कब? If one side and hypotenuse of the one are respectively equal to the corresponding side and the hypotenuse of the other. Okay. First of all, right angle triangle किसे कहा जाता है? जिसमें एक right angle हो. Clear? तो कहा जाता है कि hypotenuse वाला सामने वाला साइड, राइट एंगल्स के सामने वाला साइड हाइपोटेनस होता है, वो दोनों ट्रायंगल का कॉन्ग्रुएंट होना चाहिए और एक साइड उनका कॉन्ग्रुएंट होना चाहिए दूसरे ट्रायंगल के साथ. क्लियर? दैट इज गिवन थ्योरम 7.5. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इनइक्वालिटीज इन ट्रायंगल्स. ओके, फर्स्ट फिगर, थ्योरम 7.6. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the larger angle is larger. Okay, means greater. आप देखो फिगर में ABC है. अब देखो एंगल भी 90 डिग्री है क्योंकि ये राइट एंगल है तो ये 90 है और A एंड C मस्ट बी 45 तो ही एंगल का टोटल 180 आएगा. क्लियर? तो कहने का मतलब क्या है कि B अगर 90 हाईएस्ट है. ओके, नाउ यू ऑब्जर्व दैट, सॉरी, the side opposite to the largest angle is largest. Angle B is the largest angle, so AP is the longest side. देखो, आप देखोगे AC आपका longest side है. देखो, AB से बड़ा है and BC से भी बड़ा है. Clear? So that is your theorem 7.6. Okay. Now in a triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is larger. Okay, that is theorem 7.7. Clear? So here it is a given. This theorem can be proved with the method of the contradiction. Okay, now suppose take ABC. Okay, so we can say that AB plus BC, BC plus AC or AC plus AB. So we can say AB plus BC, दो साइड है वो ग्रेटर देन AC हो जाएगा.
BC plus AB greater than AB. Similarly, AC plus AB greater than BC. Okay. So, here you can this one find. Now, theorem 7.8. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Just check the figure. Observe the figure. The side BA of triangle ABC has been produced to point D such that AD equal AC. Clear, children? Thank you.
Hello children, good morning all of you. Today we will start the lesson number 7, triangle chapter, exercise 7.1. Okay, part 1. In quadrilateral ACBD. In quadrilateral ACBD. Okay, AC equal AD. AC equal AD. And AB bisect angle A. Clear? Show that ABC and ABD, they are congruent. Show that. What we have to prove? Okay. Show that and prove that. It is the same thing. ABC and ABD both are congruent. We have to show. What can you say about the side BC and BD? This side AC congruent to AD, but BC and BD, they are equal or not. Okay, so in every prove that, show that, we have to write the data and to prove. Okay, data before than, or what can you say, or you can say show that के जो पहले वाली statement होती है, that is data. So we will write data in quadrilateral ABCD. We have AC equal AD and being the bisector of angle A. Then we are showing prove that. What prove that? ABC and ABD. So AB equal AB. Okay. This is the same common. This one is a base joining ABC and joining ABD. Clear? We have to prove and we have to show that the BC and BD are equal or not. Okay. Now we will start quadrilateral A C B D. AC equal AD. AB bisect angle A. Now we have to take the two triangles. Which are they? ABC and ABD. Clear? AC equal AD. Congruent. They are given. Now we can show that one new point. BAC, this point. BAC and BAD. BAC and BAD. So now we can say side, angle, side. Okay. So now we can say angle BAC and B equal BAD. Because what? AB bisect angle A and AB equal AB. This one is your common. So now we can say ABC and ABD criteria. Which criteria? SAS criteria. ABC congruent to ABD, SAS criteria of congruence. So now we can say yes, the BC equal BD. BC equal BD, and what we will write? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, that is CPCT. Thank you. Now children, we will start second question of your exercise 7.1 part 1. This chapter is carrying 112 objectives, one question of 2 marks and one big question of this chapter. Total 8 marks. Okay. Now ABCD is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. This goes in clockwise or anti-clockwise. In which AD equal BC. AD equal BC. AD equal BC. Okay. Now DAB equal CBA. Okay. This full angle congruent to this full angle. Clear? First of all, question ABCD. This side congruent to this side. This angle congruent to this angle. Clear? What we have to prove? There are three questions. What is it asking? A, B, D. This question mark. B, A, C. This question mark. Okay? Clear? Second, BD equal AC. Diagonal. Then ABD equal to BAC. Same. पहले देखो ABD congruent to BAC. फिर कहता है ABD equal BAC. First of all, if it is a congruent, means they are equal. Clear? So now we can start. Children, now we can start. Clear? Now, data and to prove. I'm not writing. You have to write. Okay? Because अगर फिगर के सामने अगर कुछ नहीं दिखाई दिया तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ABD equal and first ABD and ABC. ये ट्राइंगल हम लेंगे. ओके? AD equal BC given. We can write given. Then we can write DAB and CBA. This one is also given. अब AB दोनों में AB आ रहा है. देखो AB BA आ रहा है, दोनों में AB BA आ रहा है. तो वी कैन से AB इक्वल AB कॉमन है. ये जो सेगमेंट है इन दो ट्रायंगल को बनाती है. सो नाउ वी कैन से ABD एंड BAC हो गया. क्लियर? ध्यान से पहले हमने ये एंगल सेम लिखी, फिर उसमें ये नोटिस किया कि AB कॉमन है, तो हम क्या लेंगे? साइड एंगल साइड. ओके? तो कहता है ABD BAC. क्लियर? तो उसमें AB कॉमन हो गया. फिर कहता है ABD एंड BAC. देखो सेम है. क्या आएगा? साइड एंगल साइड. ओके? साइड एंगल साइड. हमने क्या लिया? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या लिया? AD BC, ये साइड ले लिया. फिर A लिया एंड B लिया. ठीक है? और फिर ये क्या है? AB इक्वल, तो क्या आया? साइड एंगल साइड. साइड एंगल साइड. तो क्या आता है? SAS क्राइटेरिया ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंस. ओके? सो नाउ वी कैन से BD equal AC. BD equal AC. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are congruent. Okay? And ABD जो हमें पूछा गया है, ABD equal BAC. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Thank you.